So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask app is opened up, as you can tell, I'm on the bottom left here. I'm on the home page, but for example, if you're on Explore, just go down to the bottom left, press home, and then go to where it says buy. So it says buy, swap, send, receive, press on buy, and then press on buy crypto with cash. Once you're on this page right here, you can select the token that you want to buy. So in this case, you can just scroll down, see a bunch of different options here. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select, how about wrapped Bitcoin as an example. Now, if you want to buy this with cash, so let's say you want to buy $100 worth of this with cash, but in this case, Apple Pay, right below the prices, it says Apple Pay. So maybe for you, it'll say debit or credit. If it says this, go back and press Apple Pay right here and then press continue. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and type in your basic information to verify your identity, and if all looks good, press continue, and then proceed this way with the transaction here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy cryptocurrency with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.